You missed them? Go to xscientologykids.com and reconnect with the family you once had. Hello, gentlemen. Have you been to whyweprotest.net? Get the both sides of the story. Verify the data for yourselves. It's what Ron would have done.
Stare down in progress. Oh, dear.
Do you want my tamale? Why is it that every time I make a reference to my genitals, your face twitches? Flunk for being a homosexual. Blatant.
Come on, Tim. It's okay to be gay.
Don't listen to Ron. Love whoever you want.
All we need is love.
Love is all you need. We love you, Tim. Scientology doesn't.
You can sleep in my garage if you need to. It's no basement, but it'll do. I have a volcano you can curl up in. Keep you all toasty warm inside of Incident 2.
All we need is soup. Soup. Soup is all we need. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Step right up and get both sides of the data. You've heard what management has to say. Now listen to us. Open up a cam cycle unless you're scared.
Somebody just ran to that corner, took a picture, and then ran off.
Yeah. Cult happens.
You're kind of weird.
Why is it that you are taught that you can confront and shatter suppression, and yet your tech fails against us? Step right up and prove that you are the true Scientologist. Step right up and prove that your OT powers taught by Ron are enough to make any problem go away in this galaxy or another.
It's Galaxy.
Go to whyweprotest.net and get both sides of the data. whyweprotest.net.
Colt's got his tongue.
Why should you have to pay hundreds to learn about the secret padding manuals of the SPs? Step right up and ask us any question you want. We will divulge all of our secrets.
All of them?
Who's not wearing panties? You start. I thought so.
Timmy.
I was hoping to get shouted today.
You mean you, the guy with the LRH hat and smoking jacket?
I think you've been chatting with me too much.
Is that the hat that was supposed to have blood on it?
Oh, no, that was the other one. There's a headband and then there's this one. You know, a lot of Chinese people had to die to ship that headband. Oh my God, Dan is in there. He's not dead. Tim, can you get Dan out? Tim. Get Dan.
We want him. We want him. Dan, hey,
Dan,
who are we talking
come
about?
out here,
Dan
Dan!
Bernan? Is he even alive? Didn't he?
Dan, we miss you!
Especially me, Pikachu.
Dan!
Bernan. Watch out, watch out!
Sorry,
not LRH. Not to Mars again.
And we
Are
leave
not
Mars
from this planet.
strictly alone.
Please, Tim, tell us more of your space opera.
Say something.
What did they do to you?
They've
At
electronically
what point did they
simplified-
decide you're not intelligent enough to speak? It was May, wasn't it?
You used to talk to me all the time like that.
You used to grab
like
at
the Barney
stuff
Fife
and
of Scientology.
talk
He said he wouldn't doubt
Barney Fife is awesome,
that
by the way.
I was behind the DDoS attacks early on. I asked him. He doesn't know better.
Have you ever goofed the flute?
Might have to clear the sidewalk. Just a warning. So one of my pictures of you is being
Puppy
lazy.
dog. Yeah.
Or XCM.